Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to represent square root 5 on number line. We know square root 5 is an irrational number and can be represented on the real number line. For the same, we can take two methods. One method is that we start making the square root spiral, and when we get the measure of square root 5, we can take that measure in compass and represent it on the number line. And the second method is that we think about a right triangle and we select the base and perpendicular in such a manner that the hypotenuse comes out to be square root 5. So here I will be discussing the second method, in which I will be considering a right triangle with base and perpendicular selected in such a manner that the hypotenuse comes out to be square root 5, and then we can easily represent square root 5 on the real number line. So we will select a right triangle. I have selected one right triangle in a manner that the base is 2 units and the perpendicular is 1 unit, or we can take it as vice versa. And in this case, we can see in this right triangle, angle A is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, which is same as 2 square plus 1 square, which comes out to be 5, and therefore OB is equal to root 5 units. So when I will start with my construction, I will take the base as 2 units and the perpendicular as 1 unit. The very first step here, before we actually start drawing the number line, is to define the scale that we will be taking. I have taken the scale as 1 unit equal to 2.5 centimeter, and I have marked 0 on the number line as point O, and thereby marking points -1, 1 and 2 respectively on the number line. Here when I am taking the scale is like taking 1 unit as 2.5 centimeter. This is what I have taken the scale as. You can take the scale as per your own convenience. You can take the scale as 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, 1 unit is equal to 1 inch as per your convenience. Now, as discussed earlier, the base will be 2 units, and then we will be drawing a 90 degree angle over there, because I am supposed to construct a right triangle in which angle A should be 90 degree. So at point A, which represents OA as 2 units, we know, and at point A I am constructing an angle of 90 degree. After that, I will take a measure of 1 unit in compass and cut an arc to obtain point B. Then I will join OB. OB represents under root 5. So with the needle of the compass at point O and OB as radius, I will draw an arc to intersect the number line at point C, such that now OC is equal to root 5, and we can see point C, it corresponds to square root 5 on the number line. So we have in right triangle OAB, OB is equal to square root 5, and on number line OC is equal to square root 5.